Hey my friends, welcome. Thanks for visiting once again. Today on Realize Guyana we're going to be doing a traditional Guyanese comfort food. But only today we're going to be doing a veggie version. We're going to be doing a veggie version of our cook-up. Famous Guyanese cook-up. So I posted this picture of this cook-up recently and a lot of people wanted a recipe. So here the recipe is today. We're going to be doing a recipe for you guys. So for that we have our ingredients laid out there. We have our rice. We're going to be using some casserole, of course, salt to taste. We're going to be using some coconut cream, cook-up rice seasoning, some carrots, pepper, onion, scallions, some Poi Bhaji. Poi Bhaji goes very nice in cook-up, as you guys know. Some celery. We're going to be using some broadleaf thyme as well, which is also called puddina. And of course our black-eyed peas, which cook-up doesn't go without. And we're going to be using some red kidney beans in this cook-up as well, which makes it even more nicer. So, having said that, let's get started guys with this delicious, yummy veggie cook-up. You won't even miss the meat, I promise you that. Okay guys, so before we start getting our stuff ready for this cook-up, we've put our water to hot here. So our water for our rice is hot now. So we're gonna wash the rice, put it in there, and then we're gonna get cracking with the other stuff. So to our rice we're gonna add some salt. So while our rice is boiling now guys, we're gonna work on the seasonings for our cook-up. So that's our viri pepper there guys. So we've cut up the viri pepper as you can see guys. And this one here we're gonna add whole to the pot, let it boil. And then when it's done, then you can have a piece of that, or you can have the whole pepper. So you want to wash out your bhaji leaves thoroughly, because in between them, because they grow close to the ground, they tend to have sand in between them. So that's it for our seasoning preparation guys. All our seasoning are chopped, prepared, and our rice is boiling. So we're going to check on the rice and see how that's going. Alright, so you have to boil your rice to a certain extent and then add your other ingredients inside. So we think the rice is there now. You see that? So we are draining the water out from the canned beans. You're not using the water in there, okay? So that's the kidney beans and the black eyes. So nothing like a big plate to cook up on a Saturday night, right? Guyanese thing. And here is the casserole now. add a bit more. So in goes our chopped seasonings, our scallions, celery, onion, pepper. And we're now going to add our cook-up seasoning. So this is a cook-up seasoning we are using, guys. We're going to give that a good mix. So for the actual color, and if you need to add more celery, it's towards the end. So we're adding the coconut cream now. We're not using fresh coconuts. You can of course use fresh coconut milk if you have that. So that's about half a pack of the coconut cream. And if you're going to use the real coconut for this cook-up here that we're making, half of a coconut, the milk from half of a coconut will be okay for this cook-up, okay? But this coconut cream tastes really good too, guys. So you don't have to go out of your way to get the actual real coconut, dry coconut, to get a milk from. Fresh is always better, but this cream is very good as well. I see that it's beginning to feel like Saturday night already, guys. You're gonna add some water now. Salt to taste. So now we're gonna cover this back and let it cook. Alright my friends, so we're gonna add 2 very pepper in here. So we're not gonna break those up, they're just gonna be in the pot hole. So if you wanna have them with a cook-up after, you can. But it just makes your cook-up look a little bit nicer. Some bright red peppers in there. So we haven't added our Poi Bhaji and the carrots as yet. We're gonna add that towards the end of the dish. So we're just gonna leave this open and let it cook, guys. So at this stage, guys, we began cooking this on a medium heat. So we've lowered the temperature now once you're at this stage, because you want it to cook on a less heat, because a high heat will burn this, seeing that it's a thick mixture of rice and all the beans and whatever. If you give it too much heat, it's gonna burn. So you want to reduce your heat to medium to low at this time. So it's been about another 5 minutes since we last checked, guys, and this is nearly done now. So we're gonna add our Poi Bhaji, which we have chopped up there, and our carrots. And you want to give this a good mix now. That's looking good, eh? The real Guyanese thing. And there goes our big pepper. So we're just gonna give this some more time now to cook and dry down a bit. And we're gonna leave it uncovered, as I said, because if we cover this, it's gonna produce too much heat there and then it's gonna burn easily. So the best thing is to, like, from halfway to cook this uncovered. So at this time now, if you think you need some more color to your cook-up, you can add a bit more celery now and mix it in. But this here looks fine to us, so we're gonna leave it. Alright, so here's our cook-up, guys. Our cook-up is done. Veggie cook-up. And it's looking so yummy. Look at that. So you're gonna leave this still uncovered for a little while, guys, and it's gonna get a lot drier. So our cook-up is all done, guys, and here is what it looks like. Still piping hot. So you're gonna leave this uncovered still for a little while, let it air out. So this is our veggie cook up, guys. If you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.